Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today we are going to cover a few topics, and much of it will be review for you. But these are important skills that we want to make sure that we have for the rest of the course. First, we will learn the order of operations. In Canada, we call this BEDMAS. Means brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is the order that you should do different mathematical operations in, and we'll be going over that. You will also understand how to use percents, decimals, and fractions, and we will take a look in several lessons when we use all three. We'll also practice rounding to different decimal places. Yesterday we were rounding to the tens, the hundreds, the millions. This time we will be rounding to the tenths, the hundredths, or the thousandths. And we can also call this rounding to one decimal place or rounding to two decimal places. If you are rounding money, you will often round to the nearest cent. So that will be rounding to the hundredths, because there are 100 cents in $1, and that's two decimal places. Our morning meeting is at the same place, the same time. We'll be looking at things that made us laugh this week, and I'll be in the morning meeting all day. I'm going to start calling this the meeting room. Let's change that now. I will be giving a lesson, a short lesson on BEDMAS at 8:30. So that will be just continuing on after the morning meeting. And you'll go over the worksheet there. The lesson will happen inside that. We'll review what brackets and exponents are. And then on your own, I encourage you to look at the BEDMAS song. It really sounds great, especially if you listen to it at 2 times speed. Take a short break, and then we will have a live lesson here at 9:15, where I will cover percents and how to work with percentages. And also there's a video for your review purposes there. Oh, we don't need to have that note in there. Lunchtime is at the same time. And I enjoyed doing a workout with you yesterday, so I will do the same thing today. We'll spend less time talking and more time moving. Next, we'll work on how to turn fractions into decimals or percentages. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are 3 different ways of looking at the same thing. They're just numbers between 0 and 1, and we have a variety of ways we can show those. We need to be able to use all 3. So there's a worksheet for us here to complete, and a video on turning fractions into decimals. Again, I will meet with everyone at 11:30 immediately after this workout to give a quick lesson on these topics so that you can get started on the worksheets. Then we will have a break. After break, you may complete work from today. You may complete work from yesterday. If you are just joining us for the first time today, this will be a great time for you to meet with me in the chat, get to know one another, and figure out how to get you caught up. Our success criteria for today: if you have learned the order of operations, if you can use percents, decimals, and fractions, and you can round to decimal places, then you've been very successful today. And that's it for us for today. So I look forward to seeing everyone at the morning meeting, and goodbye and good luck.